Hey YouTube, guess who's up to my second video? This mom right here. So if you'd like to see how I do this hairstyle on this cute little girl, please stick around, like the video, comment, and subscribe for more. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is my second video officially for YouTube. Again, super excited. I'm so happy to be doing this. This has been such a fun journey that I've been taking with my girls since I become a mom, and something that I've always wanted to do, so I'm happy that I'm finally being able to get started. So this is my second video, but obviously it's the same morning, and I can't take one kid to the zoo without taking the other. So they have the same hairstyle going. One of the reasons that I do the same hairstyle in these videos and I still post it is because they have such different textures and different types of hair, not just the color, that you can really see how the different product mixtures work differently with their types. So within this journey, and as my videos are posted, you'll see which things work and which things don't for their different hair types. I will put videos up about their hair types. I will talk more about their descriptions as we go on this journey. But just to get started, I wanted to get another quick and easy hairstyle posted for you guys to be able to view, and for me also to get started, because I am super brand new, and along with being excited, so nervous. So I'm glad we were able to get through these videos and actually get started, and I promise you guys I will get nothing but better, and we will get more intricate in our hairstyles and just more detailed in our product reviews and things like that. And so if you bear with me, it's gonna get better. It's only gonna get better from here. So anyway, like in the other video, if you watched my other video with my other daughter Aurora, this is now my daughter Izumi. And I do the same methods. I love the lock method. I think it really works for our natural hair. I'm also natural as well, but I really think it works. I have the same mixtures that I use in the morning. You will see a different effect on their hairs because they have different types. They have a different hair structure and hair type, but I still get the same desired outcome with it, so I use it for both girls. And I really love this method. It's something that I figured out really works for my girls, and I think I'm going to just continue on with it. Again, I like to use my spray bottle. My first spray bottle is my liquid and oil spray bottle, and so I do about 3/4 water and 1/4 oil. And my second bottle, as you see me spray in a couple minutes, you'll see that it's always a little creamier, it's a little whiter. That's my water and my cream or conditioner. And so I like to put those sprays in the summertime to maximize my water. Also, it minimizes the mess, and it really helps me be able to speed through my hairdos in the morning, since these are my morning routines that I'm showing you guys with the girls right now. And it makes the girls happier too, because it's a little less time they have to sit in the chair. I also use a mousse here. I didn't get a chance to talk about the mousse in my first video, but the mousse that I like to use and finish with when I have any type of hairstyles that are going to be updos or buns, I like to use this mousse that has an olive oil component to it, and so I like the extra softness that it gives and the extra shine. So it's not just a hard crunchy mousse like the usual ones are. And I really like it for their hair and mine. It just gives me a good outcome again and a nice shine, and it helps hold it, but it's not a stiff hold. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos.